Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today, as you guys can see from the title, $500, yes sir, or almost $500. We got 455, and the reason why is because I actually it's lower than it should have been because I accidentally set the limit order a little bit lower than I should have. I set it on the 2 right here and never tapped into it. But on my other account, it got set on the 3. Well, I set on 3, and it did get limited. So that's why it's not a little bit more than usual. But anyhow, let's go into the trade. So first of all, on the daily, we've got a daily change. So here's the buy side sweep. We've got the daily change. We displaced below. We tap into it, and overnight we actually dump from there. So tapping into that change and then dumping from there. And same thing on the 4 hour on ES. I mean, not really that much to go through here actually, but we have the civvy. We also have this civvy here. We also have the civvy that we've already tapped into, but not that much to go through here on the 4 hour other than the overnight dump. And then on the hourly we have also, actually wait, I forgot to mention, the 4 hour we had SMT at these lows. Now going to the hourly, we have this unfilled civvy and the same thing on ES. And the 15 minute, we have again the same SMT, we have the sweep, and yeah, we still have the CB here, and we have the CB here, and we have EQ. Going to the 1 minute, we have some sort of accumulation here. We have, I don't know what this candle is, but we made a range here, and we can look at this as AMD. Accumulation, manipulation. This would be turtle soup into this 4 hour BISI. And so I take a long on the 3 minute. Here's the inversion. And why the 3 minute? Because on the 1 minute, we already like kind of just left off from here. I could have taken this, but it would have been, yeah, it would have been a little less R. Maybe I could have come lower, like into here, but I took it on the 3 minute. It just looked cleaner, I guess. Yeah, 4 hour BISI. Anything else that I need to mention? It's actually pretty clean. I didn't really see anything wrong with it. We had SMT, EQ was still left untouched, CBs was still left untouched. Okay, so the only thing that I would say would be kind of a red flag is these imbalances down here. So the reason why I still took the trade anyway was because of that SMT, was because of this 4 hour BISI, and was because of this low time frame soup. Also, we had this market maker sell to buy. So overall, it just looked pretty nice, right? Pretty high probability. So I took the trade. Why did I ignore these 15-minute CBs, or especially this one? Because it's in deep discount. I don't really expect any resistance from that. I would expect a little bit more resistance from this one because it's just bigger and it's closer to EQ. So I did put my stop to EQ when it hit that 15-minute CB. I also went into the 1 minute, and we had this hourly CB here, so I took out everything here. EQ, I took out a partial. So I'll show you guys. So entry was here. I should go in 3 minutes. And then EQ was around here. So I actually took 952. So we tapped EQ, and then I took out some. Kind of a bad fill, but it's alright, it doesn't matter. So then, yeah, so that's basically the whole trade. I don't know why I'm so kind of nervous. I don't know. But anyhow, yeah, that was the main trade. Why did I target this hourly SIBI was because it's the first imbalance in premium, and since since higher time frame is bearish, because higher time frame is bearish, changing the state imbalance, it's consistently bearish. I'm not really looking for a crazy retracement to this London hourly SIBI. So yeah, that's the trade recap done. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll show you guys the journal. So took this trade because we tapped into 4 hour, de-risked. In fact, you guys can just read it and pause it. So that's that, and we go to log day. This was my pre-market analysis. So here's the pictures. You guys can pause it. So really short pre-market analysis kind of, but I should be patient, let the market do what it wants to do. I think it will be stuck in shorts because otherwise we would be going against multiple time frame SIBIs. Now I was thinking that, I was like, oh yeah, that's definitely like a solid reason, but that was because I didn't expect us to take out the main jaw, which is this swing low right here, and I didn't expect there to be a 4 hour BISI here until before I looked high time frame. We had already tapped into that, so I was like, oh, what did we tap into? Tapped into the 4 hour SIBI, BISI, and also swept liquidity, and also we have some big ass SMT here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that trade recap. I love and appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.